Endplays and Coups by David Bird and Tim Bourke. Problem 12 solution is on page 39. The bidding shows we're in 6 spades and the opponents have not bid anything. Opening lead is a club. So let's see what we've got. 6 spades. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 trump. So it is, they've got 5. We've got the top 3, so it is likely that we'll have a 3-2 split or so. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. So we probably take 6 of those. 3 hearts gets us up to 9. And 10 for a club, and 11, 12, 13 with the diamonds. So it appears that, looking at it, we've got plenty of tricks that we can take. Thing to watch out for, I guess, is a bad trump split. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah, so watch out for a bad trump split. They have 5. If you get a 4-0 or a 4-1 trump split, not much you can do about it if East has it, because you don't have enough length in South to cover it. But you could possibly handle it if West had 4. Oh, or we could do the coup. Maybe it doesn't matter which side did it. Well, let's see. We're going to take that one because it looks like we don't have any losers, so why take a chance on losing that to the king? And let's see what trump we got. We're going to play the high ones in South first because, like I said before, couldn't do much if East had a big bunch of trump, but we can certainly do something about West. And West does have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, he's got 5 of them. So we've got 6 on the other hand. We could try for a trump coup, do a trump reduction. And what could we trump in our hand? Something that we're short of in dummy, which could be hearts. Okay, so we've got it now to where he started out with 5. He's played 2, so he has 3. We have 1 more than he does. And let's play off some of our winners. And we can see now that West is out of diamonds, but he doesn't want to allow us to pick up his trump, so he's not trumping, and his partner might take it, I suppose, but his partner was out. So now we play the diamond to reduce our trump to be the same number that West has, and we're going to now pretty much stay in our hand and dare West to trump. And if he does, we will trump after him. So there he is. So now we know exactly what trump he has, the 7 and the 10. If we trump it, then we'll have to lead, and we will lead into his 2, and we would lose both tricks. So we don't want to do that, to take that with the queen. But we have to play a trump. So we're going to under trump in order to make him lead from the 7 and the 10. And he does. We take the 8, and then our queen is good, and we lost 1, that 1 that we under trumped. 6 spades making.